We welcome our viewers who are with us in this video. Now we will tell you about the iPhone 12, which we have at this time. The IMEI number is not showing. This problem is mostly due to the phone being stressed or dropped, and this is mostly a hardware solution. First, we will open the master screw attached to the bottom. Carefully separate the LCD from the board. Onboard connectors, such as battery front camera, back camera flex, and charging flex connectors will be carefully disconnected. After connecting the flex on the board, carefully pull out the board. With the help of diagram, we will check its IC due to which its baseband is not showing. After servicing the board, we will air dry it. With the help of we will isolate the board and keep its temperature balance in normal. We will separate the layer of the board with the help of preheater. We are showing you on the other side of the screen which connection we are having problem due to which the IMEI number of the phone is not showing. A cotton swab will lightly service the connections on the frame in a board service cleaner. With the help of a multimeter, we will check the connection of the above layer, which we are showing from the other side, and trace the links. Full tracing with the help of a multimeter is a very good practice to find out what is the cause or why your phone is malfunctioning. After checking, we will resolder its code layer. Reballing the entire collection on the layer. With the help of a preheater, we will connect the two boards together. By connecting the two layers of the board with the help of a preheater, special care will be taken that both layers must be balanced in the ups and gnome bubble while bowling. So that all layer connections meet each other in the ups and no connection remains disconnected, which is not a problem. After servicing the phone, we will repack it and attach the flexes very carefully so that there is no looseness in any of the flexes. We'll pack the phone again and check if again the phone is showing the IMEI number. If it does, then it's firmware IC which was causing the problem and some of its layer. I was not working properly on the connection. Hope you like this video of ours. To see more such videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get first of all new videos.